Hi guys, it's Jaina and we are back with another video. So happy to see you again. Our channel is about helping people like you to work, relocate, and retire in Thailand. So don't forget to smash that like button. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to get a visa extension once you have arrived in Thailand with a 60-day tourist visa, a visa on arrival, or the visa waiver scheme. We'll also discuss the COVID 60-day extension of stay, including who is it for and how to get it. So without further ado, let's get started! Depending on where you're from, when you travel to Thailand for tourism purposes, you either have to get a tourist visa, which is valid for 60 days, a visa on arrival, which you apply for at the airport when you arrive in Thailand, or you might just get a 30-day stamp in your passport. The 30-day stamp is described as a visa waiver. This stamp is not considered to be a visa, it's just an entry stamp that literally waiving the requirement for a visa. So keep this in your head guys. Tourist visa valid for 60 days, visa waiver stamp valid for 30 days, and a visa on arrival valid for 15 days. Now, we know Thailand is a beautiful country with amazing food, stunning branches, and friendly people. So if you want to stay in Thailand for longer than 60 days, then you can apply for a visa extension of up to 30 days. So now you might be wondering how to get one. I'm telling you, it's not too hard. In order to get the visa extension, you have to apply at the Thai Immigration Bureau or the nearest Thai immigration office in any of the Thai cities you're located in before your visa expires. Once your entry stamp expires, you cannot get an extension and you have to leave the country immediately. So make sure you plan ahead and get the extension at least a week before the expiry date. Please note that those who have entered Thailand with a visa on arrival cannot get an extension. The visa on arrival is valid for 15 days, and if you want to stay longer, you have to fly back to your home country and apply for a 60-day standard tourist visa at a Thai embassy or consulate. In order to apply for a tourist visa extension, you'll need your passport, photocopies of your passport's information page as well as your current visa and the entry and exit stamps, a Thai visa extension application form at the immigration office or online, 1,900 baht, and a passport size picture. Near most immigration offices, you usually find places to both photocopy your passport and have a picture of you taken. So really, all you need is your passport and your money. Make sure you have a valid phone number and address in Thailand, as you have to enter your local contact details on the immigration form, so make sure you note down the address and phone number of your accommodation before you go to the immigration office. Once you have prepared all the required documents, you have to go to the immigration office, get a queue number, fill the visa extension application form if you haven't done so yet, and once your number comes up, you just have to hand all the documents to the officer. They'll then check all your documents, and if everything is complete, they'll take your picture and make you pay the extension fee of 1,900 baht. After that, you just wait for a few minutes until your name is called out and you can pick up your passport with the 30-day extension and the receipt. The decision whether to give you an extension lies with the immigration officer. However, if you have all the required documents and you haven't had any history of overstaying your visa, then there's no reason for them to reject your application. And most applicants manage to get the 30-day extension. Due to COVID-19 and the changing rules and regulations regarding travel, as well as the closure of borders around the world, the Thai government introduced the COVID-19 60-day visa extension scheme for foreigners who found themselves stuck in Thailand and unable to travel back to their home country because of border closures or quarantine requirements. The 60-day visa extension is eligible to all foreign nationals who are staying in Thailand legally regardless of their visa types. No letter from any embassy is required in order to get the COVID-19 60-day visa extension. Believe it or not, some foreigners have been in Thailand for almost 2 years by getting repeated COVID extensions. But the final application date for the COVID-19 60-day visa extension has been pushed till the 25th of Jan next year, so foreigners who are unable to go back home due to travel-related restrictions are allowed to stay for another 60 days. However, the new COVID Omicron strain has the potential to push the date even further into the future if it significantly increases travel restrictions worldwide because it's easier to In order to apply for the COVID-19 visa extension, you have to file for an extension at the Immigration Bureau in Bangkok or at the immigration offices throughout the country. You should make sure that your current tourist visa is still valid and hasn't expired yet. There's also a fee of 1,900 baht or around $56 which you have to pay. You should take your passport along with photocopies as well as a passport picture to the immigration office. You'll be required to fill a form and submit it to the immigration officer. Once verified, you'll be able to stay in Thailand for another 60 days until you are able to fly back. Be aware that the COVID extension is up to the immigration office you speak to, and you do have to fill out a special declaration form that your reasons for wanting to stay in Thailand are due to COVID. Most people get these extensions without any further question. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We've given you all the information about visa extensions in Thailand. If you simply want to extend your visa to travel more, you can apply for the 30-day visa extension. If your visa is about to expire and you're unable to return back to your home country due to travel-related disruptions, then you can apply for the COVID-19. Whatever kind of extension you're requesting, please be nice. The extension is not something that is automatically given. It's up to the immigration office that you're talking to. So be on your best behavior, dress nicely, be polite, and have your smile ready. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any other questions or want more recommendations, please also contact us at the link in the description or visit our website at pansmile.com. See you next time, guys!
What are you waiting for?
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 Yes, correct. What are you waiting for? The world may not be in a great shape right now, but it's very possible to come to Thailand. It's actually easier to live in Thailand for a longer time than it was before. With Smile can get you the right long-term visa, find a perfect house, open the local bank account, or even open the business here. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or go to bansmile.com and get started.